Thanks so much for watching 30 Days of Python. In this course, we covered a lot. So if anything was confusing at all, what I recommend that you do is you go back and rewatch it. That's one of the very, very beautiful things about watching this through video is you can redo it. I highly encourage that you do that. In fact, what I encourage even more so is think about what you've learned and try to implement it yourself without the video, and then go back and rewatch the video or check out the reference code if needed. That is something that I really want you to do on this project, but any of the projects that we do, because we go step by step so you can build real things. That's kind of the point of it all. But now, if you have a really good understanding of Python and you're ready for that next level, Django will be that next level. Django is a web application framework, which means you can build web applications with Python using this framework called Django. This framework, what it allows you to do is have users and store data and then do some cool stuff in between to make some value for the world. You know, if you think about like Twitter or Facebook or Google Plus or any of those applications that you might use on a regular basis, those are web applications. And all they really do is they have some code and some conditionals and some for loops and all this stuff to it that actually build this valuable service that people like to use and engage with. So we encourage you to learn about Django. And that's something that we cover quite a bit actually on joincfe.com, as well as on a YouTube channel on joincfe.com/YouTube. So definitely check out those two things. That is my encouragement for your next steps. And I again wanted to thank you so much for watching. My name is Justin Mitchell. Learning and teaching and doing code is one of the things that I'm most passionate about, and I'm really happy that I was able to work with you guys on this. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you again in the next series.